So I panicked. I got really angry at my bike shop where I bought this bike because I found out here, you can come a little closer and show you. This bolt here, I hate. You know why? Because it's been, well, I don't know how to say that in English to be honest, but it's been twisted badly. So the fitting inside, if I put the right Allen key in, I can't undo it, you see? Like it just keeps skipping because whoever put this bike together one day, they twisted it in too tightly and they damaged the fitting in the bolt. So
what do we need to do when we get to the US?
Well, get a new bolt.
Yeah.
And
what you had to do
go
now?
to some bike shop and find someone who can fix that for me. What I had to do now, fortunately, I was like, oh my god, I hope I have the right tools, and I did. I had to take the mud guard off because what I can do now, I took the wheel off, right here. Took the wheel off, took the mud guard off, and now I can simply twist the wheel like that, the handlebars basically. And as you can see now, I have to find some beautiful way of storing this with some tape. This is my light, and put all the right bolts and nuts in here.
How long it took you doing that?
15-20 minutes.
Yeah, and look, I did mine in 2 minutes.
I know, just because of one bloody bolt.
Yep.
So, tip for the future, for ourselves anyway.
Anywhere.
Always check your bloody bolts, see if they can. Be
Next
unscrewed.
time.
Because I know how to take this off. You need a Torx screwdriver. What didn't I bring? A bloody Torx screwdriver.
But we should have just take them apart before coming, right?
It's not a Torx fitting. Yeah, well, yeah, that. Because then at work I could have taken it off with a Torx screwdriver.
All right, well.
Now I'm gonna
Jochem,
tape this all
we're
off,
ready.
put it in. Yeah.
Okay.